The investment board is still grappling with getting taxpayers' money out of Russia investments, and it was a main topic at today's monthly meeting.
The state investment board has lost millions of dollars in Russian investments, but did not report the exact dollar amount in its meeting today. No board member asked the staff what the actual losses have been. Since trading in Russian equities has been halted, the SIB has not been able to completely divest from its Russia exposure. This financial exposure refers to the risk inherent in an investment, indicating the amount of money an investor stands to lose.
According to the SIB, there are $2.7 million left in Russia exposure, which is down from the initial $16 million in the legacy fund and other SIB managed funds the board had before Russia invaded Ukraine. Another issue the SIB faces is the remaining Russian investments that are almost entirely in commingled accounts, which means that if the SIB were to exit those accounts, they would lose even more money. KX News spoke with Senator Kevin Cramer, a longtime opponent of having taxpayers' contributions invested in foreign adversaries.
When you think about the many American companies and individuals that have invested heavily in Russia, today they're regretting that. But it wasn't like you couldn't see it coming either. And so, yeah, to answer your question specifically about state funds and whatnot, I think we ought to be divesting from our enemies and investing with our allies.
However, today's meeting did not deal with the state's investments in Chinese companies in light of China providing Russia with economic and financial support during its war on Ukraine.
Senator Cramer will join us later in the show to discuss the importance of the United States leading through strength and continuing to support Ukraine.